Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean. Behind the oven door, there is a hidden button that makes cleaning easier. Most people are unaware of it. Just pull it upwards to release the lock. Repeat the process on the other side. With the doors prepared in this way, they will be easy to remove. Next, grab them and lift them slightly. The hinges should come out on their own. There is a protective plastic on the oven door. Use a screwdriver to pry it open and then remove it. This way, you'll be able to disassemble and clean the glass. Not everyone knows that you can also remove the rack and glass when cleaning. Just pull them towards you with a firm motion. This way, you can thoroughly clean the oven walls. If you don't like scrubbing off burnt grease and food residues, use baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties and is safe for health. Sprinkle it evenly over the doors and inside the oven using a sieve. A thick layer should cover the entire surface. Then, take a paper towel. Spread it in the areas covered with baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Screw it tightly. Spray the towels generously with it. They should absorb the mixture well. Both substances will react under the towels and start removing burnt food. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After that time, simply remove the towels and wipe the oven with them. All the dirt will stick to their surface, and you won't have to scrub. It can even handle tough stains. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was. Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. Apply it to the induction hob. It'll be as good as new without scrubbing. When the induction hob is dirty, there's a simple solution. Stains, streaks, and even burnt spots will disappear as if by magic. Just use 2 products that you surely have in your bathroom. Take shaving foam and apply it to the induction hob. A few strips are enough. Also, use toothpaste. Squeeze it in a few places. Toothpaste makes cleaning many surfaces easier. It also removes greasy stains and disinfects. This simple trick will deal with dirt on the glass surface of the induction hob. See how easy it is? It looks strange, but it really works. Shaving foam is often recommended for removing various stains. After all, it's a certain type of soap. So it's perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces. Cover the induction hob with cling film. Do it carefully. Once the film covers the induction, press the foam with toothpaste firmly. These two products will mix and cover the entire surface. Leave the induction hob like this for a few minutes. The foam with toothpaste will work during this time. Then spread the white foam again. Remove the film and throw it away. Collect the rest of the mixture with a paper towel. You don't have to scrub anything. All the dirt will come off with the foam. Finally, wipe the hob dry and it's done. It will be shiny and clean as new. See and evaluate the difference. Shaving foam with toothpaste is indispensable in this case. I put lime slices into a dishwashing sponge. I regret not doing it much earlier because it's a great trick. Slice it thinly. Then take a dishwashing sponge. Using scissors, cut a hole in it. Do this at the point where the soft part of the sponge meets the rough part. The hole should be fairly large. Take a slice of lime and insert it into the sponge. If you're watching me for the first time, let me know in the comments where you're from. Pour 100 milliliters of water into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar is perfect for cleaning various stains. It degreases different surfaces and gives them shine. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix everything together. Use this solution to clean the burners. If you don't have time to clean them regularly, this method is perfect. When the lime is used up, replace it. Insert another slice and continue scrubbing the burners. Leave the burners in this mixture for a while. The dirt will disappear. The burners will be clean. The results are amazing. The method is simple, so you'll definitely like it. I clean the washing machine regularly. Dirt and lime scale disappear. The washing machine is clean, and the laundry always smells fresh. Apply toothpaste to the inner glass of the door. Take half a lemon and spread the paste. Do this especially at the edges, where residue from water and detergents often accumulates. Once you've cleaned the entire glass, toss the lemon into the washing machine drum. Now, focus on the door seal in the washing machine. This is the area where most dirt accumulates and mold. Sprinkle this area with baking soda. It will remove dirt, mold spores, and eliminate unpleasant odors. After doing this, close the washing machine. Open the detergent drawer and spray it with vinegar, all compartments. Vinegar removes limascale, detergent, residue, and mold. If you clean the washing machine irregularly, mold will never appear. Close the drawer and run the washing machine on a standard program. Toothpaste, lemon, baking soda, and vinegar will clean the interior of the washing machine and eliminate deposits and limescale. These ingredients also eliminate mold spores, which may be responsible for the unpleasant odor coming from the washing machine. When the washing machine finishes, open it and remove the lemon. You'll immediately notice that the entire interior shines. Wipe it dry, and it will be cleaner than ever. The detergent drawer will also be cleaner. During the next laundry cycle, you'll notice that your clothes will smell wonderfully. You don't have to worry about the smell of mustiness and mold.